interview skills. So what I am planning to do in this regard is, first we will start with a basic English communication. So first we will start very gradually, because I have not personally known you. We are meeting for the first time. So even I will take some time to know you and where I have to start. So starting with the first one, we'll start with a very basic intermediate level, wherein we are talking about communication, which Ayush has mentioned. Second, we will gradually move towards interview and presentation skills. Would that be okay? Chetan, Vinod, Ayush, Vrushali,
Yes, ma'am.
Gauri?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Before we start, I would be pasting a small link in your session, wherein you would open that link and you'll have to save the screenshots of that particular attempt. So it is the way somebody would start. Other than that, um, what I am planning to do is, we are going to have small games which will improve your vocabulary. We are going to have something which interests you. We having some more things which will help you in developing not only your communication, but also help to talk to you each other fluently in a fluent English manner. So let me just start with it. Give me 1 second. Okay. Everyone can refer the chat section. Can you see the chat section? Can you click on that link, everyone? I can see there are total 28 participants. It is labeled in the form of conversation. I'll share
Ma'am,
my
I am
screen.
not getting any link.
Okay, 1 second.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
hold on. In your mobile, you're going to get a screen wherein you would see this small rectangle shape icon. You have to just click on that icon and you can see what is written in the chat. Maybe it could take some time from my end and it would be displayed on your screens. Can you see a link here?
Yes.
https learnenglish.britishcouncil. Everyone, Ayush,
Yes, ma'am.
Rushali.
Yes, ma'am. It's there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just click on that link and be very careful. There would be some time given to you, and after the time ends, there would be a screen displayed of your scores. You have to save that screenshot with you, and later on, when I'll put a small link in this channel, you have to share that screenshots in your individual assignments. Okay, it is just a preliminary thing. You can take your own time, so that you also understand from where you have to start, and I also understand from where I have to start with all of you guys. Okay, have you got the link, everyone? At least say yes or
Yes,
no.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so
Yes, ma'am.
click on the link and you will see one window which I'll show you. Give me 1 second. Is everyone able to see this window? There would be 25 questions and 10 to 20 minutes. You have to choose the correct answer and decide how you are sure that this answer is correct or not. Choose from the following: certain, fairly sure, not sure. So certain means you're highly confident that this is the answer. Fairly sure is somewhere in between, and not sure is you don't know that this is the answer. Okay, it is very important to be honest how sure you are, because your score on the answers and your result one of this three possible levels. It is not going to be a score. It is going to be a level. And you can just start your test here. I hope I'm clear to everyone. Just click on this start button and you would know your score. Have you started, Xenia?
Yes, ma'am. We are starting.
Yes,
Apurva?
ma'am, started.
Gaurangi, are you able to start this test?
Yes, ma'am, started.
Sorry, my mic was on a mute mode. Yeah. So are you able to do that? Are you able to see the test, Gaurangi, Apurva, Vinod?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I started.
Yes, ma'am.
That's
Yes,
great.
ma'am.
So you can just start the session, start the particular session of your test, and then once it is over, just save the screenshots in your mobile or on your computers, laptops, whatever you have. Okay. So I'll give you that particular time of test, which is almost 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, you can share your screenshots in the chat section. Okay, I'll create a link for sharing the screenshots. Don't worry. If there is any problem anybody is encountering, please let me know. You can unmute yourself and tell the problem. Hopefully there should not be any problem. If you are able to open the website, you can easily get through the test. काय म्हणाल तुम्हाला 12:30 कंप्लीट करून 12:30 पर्यंत Please remember everyone, you have to save the screenshot of the last level whenever you are finishing off the small assessment. You have to just save the screenshot in your mobile, and I will give you a link right now or maybe later on. You can share that link, share that particular screenshot there. Okay, so kindly save it everyone.
I'm done, ma'am.
Yeah, you can save your screenshot with you. Who
Okay, ma'am.
who has completed? Dhanashri.
Yes, ma'am. Dhanashri.
Okay, so you can just save your screenshot with you, and I will share the link later on. Keep the screenshot safe with you. Okay, I'll share the link.
Okay, ma'am.
You can share from the assignments tab on the Teams. We'll see whatever medium is best, and we will record your screenshots. Okay, I
Okay,
hope
ma'am.
everyone is done.
No, ma'am.
Okay, just take your time and finish it up.
Yes, ma'am. Finish.
Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Is
where we
everyone
want
done?
to?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Zenia, Sibani, are you done? Neelam, yes, say yes or no. I hope you are able to hear me clearly.
No, ma'am, not done.
Aishwarya,
Yes, ma'am.
Zenia, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Zenia, Sibani, are you able to hear me? Those who are all done, please reply in the chat box that yes, at least, or give a thumbs up icon so that I can understand out of 35 how many people are done. Okay, you can raise your hand so that I can understand how many people are done. Zenia, Neelam. Aishwarya. Roshan. Azima. Apurva. Mohammad Basir. Faridullah.
Ma'am is going finish. Is almost finished.
Take your time, take 2-3 minutes and finish it off, okay? Jyoti, Sahil, Mayuri Jezurkar, Gaurangi, Radha.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Done? Great. Ashay, Kunal, Chekam, Marak. Are you
Done, ma'am.
done? Okay. Muza Didi, Chetan,
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Samandi, Fatimi. Please correct me if I'm not pronouncing your names clearly or properly. You can correct me, okay? Ayush and Sukram. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I can just see many hands raised up. So those all people are done. If you are not aware where is the section for raising your hand, you can write in the chat section that you are done.
Ma'am, where we want to submit our score?
You have to save the screenshots right now and I will give you a link. You have to share there. ठीक है? आपके मोबाइल में जो इमेज आया होगा अभी उसको सेव कर लीजिए. You have to save the screen, save the image of your mobile, and later on I will give you a link or I'll create an assignment in the soft skills section. You have to submit it there. Okay, so I'll wait for just 2-3 minutes more for the other people to finish off their assignment. Okay, Vinod, is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Madam, hello.
Yes, yes, Radha.
माझा स्क्रीनशॉट झालाच नाही ते कट होऊन गेलं.
अच्छा. So go back to the screen and attempt the quiz. तर आता जेव्हा तुला वेळ मिळेल तेव्हा ते करून घे.
चालेल चालेल, थँक्यू.
Okay. Rest all people, any problem? Any problems, anyone? I hope it is quite pretty simple. Okay. Fine. There are 38 people. So I believe 38 images I'm going to get, and even I can verify it from your attendance. So kindly attempt the test. Okay, it is for your benefit. You would understand from where you have to improve and how we need to move. Okay. By now, I believe everybody is done. Anybody needs more time?
Ma'am, I'm doing now.
You need 2-3 minutes more?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I need 2 more minutes. I just joined.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Take 2-3 minutes more. Please quickly finish by 12:35. It is 12:30 by my watch. Finish it by 12:35, okay?
Ma'am, what you have to do?
Who's asking this? Namrata, you have joined right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Why so late? The session is almost getting over.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I was little in work. Oh, sorry, ma'am.
Go to the chat section. In the chat section, there is one link given. Click on that link and attempt that particular test. Okay? Are you able to see the chat section, Namrata?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Click on that link and attempt the test quickly, and you have to save the screenshot. I hope everybody knows how to take a screenshot. I don't need to teach you that. You all are mobile savvy generation. Right, Namrata? Saeed, you are able to save it as a screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Attempt the test honestly, attempt it properly. Do not try to attempt it in a hurry. Okay. By the evening or maybe on Monday, I believe it would be by the evening, I will give a link where you have to paste the screenshots. So you will most probably find it in the communication skills tab only. You will find it in the assignments tab. Okay. So keep your screenshot safe. Then again, if you are not saving the screenshot, you'll have to attempt the test again. And those who are done, they can raise their hand or they can write in the chat section that they are done, so that I would give it an idea that whether you are done or not. Okay, Sahil is done. Fine. Fine. Okay. 3 minutes more and I believe everybody should be there. And if you're not able to finish it up, that's fine. You can continue that if there is one time limit. Okay, most importantly, there are 2-3 things I want to brief you on. Most of the people who feel that they need to improve their skills from a very basic level, you will have to work hard, because right now through online medium, I will help you in whatever way I can, but then you'll have to also take the same steps with me. I cannot improve your English or your communication skills or your presentation skills without you taking the effort. So I request all of you, as a facilitator, as a friend, as a teacher, so try to see that you are there with all the, there are various communication apps. There is a dictionary which is available. So if you are very much friendly with the apps and if you know how to use all the applications which are mobile apps, it would be easier for you to rehearse and practice the English communication daily. At the same time, you can subscribe to some news channels, whichever you like, so that it can help you to pick up the professional English, because in the newspapers, which are e-newspapers, you can subscribe to any of the channel, maybe NDTV, maybe Hindu, whichever newspaper you like. The choice is yours. I'm not forcing any newspaper on you. So you can choose any newspaper, at least read 2 to 3 paragraphs if you are not into habit of reading newspapers. Okay. Second thing, if you can get an online subscription or even a free subscription to any business magazine, so you would be updated with all the current updates which are going on in the industry. And definitely we are going to have debates, we are going to have interviews, we are going to have presentations which will gradually take you and improve your communication skills. The people who have joined late, you're also invited to give your opinions, your suggestions, like what is the specific medium you would like to improve on. Even you're free to message me on WhatsApp, my email ID, that what are the suggestions, and if you're hesitating to mention it in the class, you can mention it on my personal WhatsApp that this is the level I am in English and I need your whatever I can facilitate you to learn English, I'll do my best. Okay. So coming to an important point wherein I wanted to brief you on, the next session, like I believe it will be on next Saturday, not next, alternate Saturdays we are going to meet. So next Saturday is your Excel class, and after that you are going to again have your communication class. So in that I will write a few application names which can help you with These apps could be there in your mobile. And even I have checked these apps. So they are quite friendly, easy to download. So this is the first app called as Duolingo. Okay. So this app means whichever language you are comfortable with. For example, some people would like to slowly get a transition from Marathi to English. Some people would like to have a transition from slowly. For example, many times when we try to speak in English, we try to see that exact this Marathi word or this Hindi word, or even for English, we look for better words and synonyms, isn't it? Right? So maybe we all are gradually learning from some point of time. Even I have gradually learned. So this app, which I have mentioned here, you can search in Google Play Store. So this app is a dual language app, which will help you to learn from a particular medium. Maybe I choose Hindi, or I choose even whatever could be my mother tongue. So for example, Vinod may have its mother tongue as Marathi, or Radha may have its Marathi. So she would like to grow from this app. She can, I've already app Duolingo. Okay. You can check in the chat section, Vinod. So this, you can choose whichever language you are comfortable with, and now this language will help you to understand from Marathi to English, how do you communicate. So daily you will have 10 minutes on this app. And even though we may meet twice a day, that means we are meeting once in 15 days. I want you to daily dedicate 10 to 15 minutes for your communication styles. At the same time, I will keep you posted with various links which can help you to understand and see the videos from YouTube, wherein they are very, very good examples of communication. They're very good examples of presentation skills. So slowly and gradually we can take, and I believe and pray that this corona pandemic would go away quickly, so that we can even have a session which would be face to face. So that would help me and you more in understanding and taking the sessions quite swiftly. Is that okay? Are you getting my point? Are you there with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Gaurangi, Radha,
Yes, ma'am.
your side, Gauri, anything you would like to say? In the next session, I would come up with one topic. There would be two activities in the next session. One would be an extempore and one would be a normal discussion session. So it could be a group discussion. So I would choose 10 people out of you, and out of the 10 people I would be giving one topic, and we will be having an online session on group discussion and extempore. Okay, so that this is how I have planned for the next session. There is one more app, and there is one more app called as CAKE. So this app is also one of the apps. I'll check one more app which is there. Yeah. English speaking practice. Podcast POD. So this will help you in these three apps. You can download for now, or you can download even one, whichever you feel you're comfortable to start with. And there's one more app called as English speaking practice by Talk. So it will analyze your English speaking, and it will correct you. So start with one application, one mobile application, and gradually you can understand and move to the next. So what I can give you as a summary for the day is, you can read at least 1 to 2 paragraphs of a good English newspaper, which is number 1. Number 2, you can download these applications applications which are majorly mobile apps, which will help you to, for example, if you're traveling by bus, if you're traveling in a car and somebody else is provided somebody else is driving that car, you can actually rehearse and use your traveling time. Third, there are various in English newspaper, there are various word games which even we are going to play in the next few classes. It will also help you in improvising your English communication skills. The hands-on practice, which we are going to have it in the class. Okay. I hope you are able to follow up with me. You're able to understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So I don't want to start on the very first day with very heavy exercises or very difficult exercises. So what I wanted you is to just analyze your English level skill, like where you are at on the basic level, you're on the intermediate level or high intermediate level. So most important is also grammar, which we have learned in your maybe our 10th standard or in our, I can say 12th standard tak. So whatever you have learned, you have to now practically start speaking and enable that, which would also be tested in the form of your, I can say, group discussion point of view, interviews. Even we are going to understand how to write an email. A basic email would also be taken care of. In case if you feel you want to improve or include something else also in your communication class, please let me know. And that's how I come to the end of the session. Okay. Thank you, everyone. So we'll
Thank you,
see
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
next Saturday.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Good day, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice day. Have a great day, all of you.
Good day, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes, Namrata.
I have taken screenshot of 25th question. So
You
that
have
means I have done.
you
Is
have
it?
to take the screenshot of the result which comes after the session. So it will show you
This
that
question?
at what level you are. I don't want the screenshot of 25th question. I want the screenshot after you have submitted the 25th question. It will come as a result.
There is no any option to submit. I'm not getting that option.
Okay, fine. Once you submit the test, for example, all the questions are done, you will see slowly a small paragraph or a small note which will come up, which will show that which level you are. Are you an intermediate level? Are you on a top level? Because I myself have attempted the test before I give it to you. So it will definitely show. I don't think that is going to happen. Try to do the test again, Namrata, and possibly you will get the result.
Okay, ma'am. There is only option back to top only.
Okay. Try to check it with your other friends if they have
Okay,
got
ma'am.
the same.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Any other has encountered the same problem? Fine, Namrita, I'll try to attempt the test again, and even I can get back to you in WhatsApp, so it won't be a problem. Sampada, you are done with the test? Okay, those who are done, I
Yes,
believe
ma'am.
they can leave the session. Have you got a display of what level it is showing? Intermediate level, middle level, or something like that?
परसेंटेज आए मैम उधर.
You have got the answer?
हाँ.
You have got the result. So can you help Namrata?
मैम हाँ करती. बताती हूँ उसको.
Yeah, thank you. Fine. So we'll wind up for today. We'll meet next time. Wish you all a happy day ahead. Wish you a great day ahead. Take care. I'm closing the session from here.
Yes, ma'am.